Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix merge codes don't work on iPhone or how to fix conference code not working on an iPhone. The fix that I will show you actually is updated for 2021 and works on any iPhone device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know where my viewers are. So to merge codes, and if you have this issue, there's a few things you can do. The first one is going to the settings of your iPhone, and then going to General. Click on the second option called Software Update, and here you actually want to update to the latest version. I'm behind, so click download and install right now. I'll enter my PIN real quick, and now it will update, and hopefully this will fix the issue for you as well. If this doesn't help you, what you can do is go to General again, like we are right here, click on Reset, and you want to click on Reset Network Settings right here. This helped a lot of people. If this doesn't work, you can also reset all of your settings, but you probably want to back up your phone before doing so. And then another thing that actually helped a lot of people is just restarting the phone. It's as simple as that, but it helped a lot of people. So you would want to try this fix as well. I really hope this video helped you. There can be a lot of reasons why this issue is present. So if you still have the issue, comment down below. I still have the issue, and I will try to help you personally if I have the time. If you were one of the first comments, I probably will be able to. If this video helped you out, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.